Right. My name is Vageesha Gunawardana. I'm a master's student working with Dr. Gellert Meze at the chemistry department. So if I tell you to think of nanotechnology, you probably would imagine tiny little robots swimming through your bloodstream, fighting viruses and bacteria. But in reality, nanotechnology is much more subtle than that. So we use molecules to do useful work. Now, the type of molecules that we work with in our lab are also a type of nanotechnology. These are called nanojars. So as the name suggests, these are jar-shaped molecules that can encapsulate or trap certain types of molecules. Now, unlike the mason jars that you guys have at home, these nanojars cannot put anything inside. So it needs to be a specific type of molecule. Specifically, it's going to be these negatively charged ions. For example, phosphate, which is important in biological processes such as energy storage, sulfate, which usually results from nuclear waste, or arsenate, which is a potent toxin. Now, my work involves making these nanojars fluorescent. So how do we make them fluorescent? First of all, by changing the building blocks that these nanojars are made out of, we can change the properties of the nanojars themselves. So if you make the building blocks fluorescent, we can also make the nanojars fluorescent. So why do you want to make nanojars fluorescent? It's not going to be the next cool thing at a blacklight party, right? What we want to do is use them as a specific sensor for these ions, specifically for phosphate, sulfate, and arsenic. So having these fluorescent ligands floating around in the solution, they will not form a nanojar unless these ions are also with them. So this gives us a way for us to specifically target these ions and detect them with instruments that we have in lab. Now, since I submitted this proposal, I have made several fluorescent building blocks. Now, if you see that picture over there, the one on the left has no UV light shone on it, so it just looks brown. And as soon as you shine some UV light, it glows blue. Now, the nice thing is we still haven't tried making nanojars with them. So we are hoping that after we make the nanojars, this fluorescent will give a different color so that we can detect and see the difference between having the free building blocks and then the ones that have made the nanojars with the specific ions that are inside them. Thank you.